When I first moved from Nebraska in 2003 to outside of Atlanta, Georgia, there was a flight pattern above our home. Flight pattern is the standard path followed by an aircraft when taking off or landing. Now, I have been a long-time frequent airline traveler, yet I had never thought about how well organized and structured air travel is, let alone given any thought to how consistently and frequently planes took off and landed until they were doing so right above our house. 2 decades and many moves later, we once again live very near an airport. On any given day, small private airplanes fly directly overhead, all on orchestrated paths fully planned out. So most of us do take airline travel for granted, in part because there are regulations, there's an order to the industry, and rules that everyone must follow. But we also don't often take the time to draw connections to the patterns that are present in our own life. Over the past few years, my consulting and interim leadership work has taken me on many flights. Through my work, I spend a lot of time inviting others to consider small, normal, and powerful mindset shifts that are required in order to step into the accountability that is necessary with the reality that people leave. Workplace transitions are constant, and because we don't yet see healthy and positive examples of workplace transitions, we aren't naturally inclined to normalize doing better. Just as planes fly overhead, people are leaving jobs, roles, projects, and their titles. Guilt is no good reason to stay anywhere you don't want to be. It's okay to move on, even if it surprises or disappoints other people. So if it's true that people leave, and if it's true that we are all actively in transition, then it's time to normalize the leaving so that we can plan and honor the reality of transition, so that we can reroute our flight paths to navigate workplace transitions. If you'd like to learn more about others who have navigated their own workplace transitions and the lessons that they've learned, check out the Leaving Well podcast. You can find it on your favorite player or in the links below.